students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Let us continue the lesson, the necklace. In our previous session, we came to know that Matilda did not have any jewelry in order to adorn herself in the party. So, she went to her friend, Madam Forrester, as per the suggestion of her husband, and asked her to lend Forrester's diamond necklace, and Forrester agreed for that. Now let's continue the lesson. She fell upon the neck of her friend, embraced her with passion, then went away with her treasure. When Madame Forrester agreed to give her necklace, she became very happy. She fell upon the neck of her friend and embraced her with passion. She embraced means hugged her with passion. Passion means great or powerful emotion. Then went away with her treasure. After that, with her treasure, with that necklace, she went away. The day of the ball arrived. Madame Lysel was great success. She was the prettiest of all, elegant, gracious, smiling, and full of joy. All the men noticed her, asked her name, and wanted to be presented. See, the day of the ball arrived. Madame Lysel was a great success. She was the prettiest of all in the whole party. She was the prettiest of all. She was elegant. Elegant means stylish or classy. Stylish or classy. Gracious. She was looking gracious. Smiling and full of joy. All the men noticed her. The men who were in the party noticed her. They asked her name and wanted to be presented. They were all interested to talk to her. She danced with enthusiasm, intoxicated with pleasure, thinking of nothing but all this admiration. This victory so complete and sweet to her heart. She danced with enthusiasm. Enthusiasm means intensity of feeling or spirit. With high spirit, she danced, intoxicated with pleasure. She intoxicated. Intoxicated means to lose control of oneself. Okay. She lost her control with pleasure, thinking of nothing but all the admiration. She was continuously thinking about the admiration, all the admiration. Others liked her. She was continuously thinking about that. This victory so complete and sweet to her heart. This victory was complete and very sweet to her heart. She was thinking about that and she was extremely happy. She went home towards 4 o'clock in the morning. Her husband had been half asleep in one of the little salon since midnight with 3 other gentlemen whose wives were enjoying themselves very much. She went home towards 4 o'clock in the morning. Already her husband had been half asleep in one of little salon since midnight. Salon means a big room or hall. Yeah, he had been sleeping. Along with him, other 3 gentlemen were there, whose wives were enjoying themselves very much in the party. He threw around her shoulders the modest wraps they had carried, whose poverty clashed with the elegance of the ball custom. She wished to hurry away in order not to be noticed by other women who were wrapping themselves with rich furs. He threw around her shoulders the modest wraps. Here, modest wraps means cheap shrug or shawl. Okay. He threw around her shoulder a cheap quality shawl in order to cover her. They had carried, whose poverty clashed with the elegance of ball custom. Okay, till then she was enjoying very rich party. This shawl recalled her poverty. Okay, her poor condition. She came back to the reality, seeing that modest wrap. She wished to hurry away in order not to be noticed by the other women. Before other women noticed her, she wanted to leave that place, because they were wrapping themselves in rich furs. Those women, other women, they were wrapping themselves with rich furs. Okay, they were covering themselves with good quality shawls which were made up of animals' fur. But her wrap was a cheap one, ugly looking one. So she wanted to leave that place immediately. Lysel detained her. "Wait," said he, "I am going to call a cab." Then Lysel, her husband, he detained me, stopped her. He tried to stop her, saying, "Wait, I am going to call a cab. Wait for a minute. I will call a cab." But she could not listen and descended the steps rapidly. When they were in street, they found no carriage, and they began to seek for one, hailing the coachman whom they saw at the distance. But she was not ready to stand there. She would not listen and descended the steps rapidly. She quickly descended the steps. Then they were in the street. They found no carriage. There was no carriage. Carriage means horse cart. And they began to seek for one. They began to seek for a carriage, hailing coachman whom they saw at the distance. They were calling the coachman, cart drivers, whom they saw in the distance. They walked along towards the river, hopeless and shivering. They walked along the rivers. They were hopeless and they were shivering. Their body was shaking with the cold. Finally, they found one of those old carriages that one sees in Paris after nightfall. At last, they found one of those old carriages that one sees in Paris after nightfall. It took them as far as their door. They went wearily up to their apartment. Then that carriage dropped them in front of their apartment. They went wearily up to their apartment. Then they went wearily. Wearily means tired. Okay. They were tired. They went up to their apartment. It was all over for her. She was very tired. And on his part, he remembered that he would have to be at the office by 10 o'clock. She was very much tired, but Mr. Lysel remembered that he would have to be at the office by 10 o'clock. Morning 10 o'clock, he should be in office. She removed the wraps from her shoulders before the glass for a final view of herself in her glory. Then she removed the wrap on her shoulder in front of glass, front of mirror, for a final view of herself in her glory. She wanted to have the final view of herself in her glory. Glory means beauty, great beauty. Okay. Suddenly she uttered a cry. Her necklace was not around her neck. Then she made a cry. She screamed loudly because her necklace was not around her neck. She found that her necklace was not around her neck. So she screamed. Let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching me.